In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change SKU in Shopify. By the end, you'll confidently update a product's SKU and understand the impact that change can have across your store and connected tools. First, sign into your Shopify admin. This is your store's control center where you manage products, orders, and settings. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Products. This opens your full product list so you can quickly find the item you want to edit. Use the search bar or filters if you have a large catalog. Next, click the product you want to update. If your product has different sizes, colors, or other options, you'll handle the SKU at the variant level. If it's a single variant product, you'll still find the SKU on the product page under its inventory details. Scroll down to the variants section. This is where all versions of your product live, each with its own price, inventory, and identification fields. Click the specific variant you want to change. This opens the variant details page or panel. Locate the SKU field. It typically appears in the inventory or identification area, close to fields like barcode or GTIN. Remember, SKU is your internal stock keeping unit, used for inventory tracking, reporting, search, and fulfillment. It's different from a barcode, which is often a standardized code used by scanners. If you use third-party apps, fulfillment services, or marketplaces, many of them reference the SKU, so accuracy matters. Edit the SKU to the new code you want to use. Keep it clear, consistent, and unique within your store. A naming convention, like including product family, color, and size, makes life easier later. Avoid special characters that might not play well with external systems, and don't reuse retired SKUs to prevent confusion in reports. When you're ready, click Save. Wait for the confirmation that your changes have been saved before navigating away. After saving, the updated SKU will display on the variant and in your products list, which helps you quickly verify the change. If your product has multiple variants that need updates, repeat the same process for each one. A few helpful tips before we wrap up. If you connect your store to shipping apps, inventory systems, point of sale, or marketplaces, review those integrations after changing SKUs to ensure everything stays in sync. If you print labels or use barcode scanners, regenerate labels based on the new SKUs so your team scans the correct codes. That's it. Log in, open products, select the product, go to variants, edit the SKU, and save. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.